Modern kitchens are getting smarter, faster, and more efficient with innovative tools designed to simplify everyday tasks. From automated cooking solutions to clever storage and cleaning gadgets, these products are built to save time and effort. Here are some of the most practical and creative kitchen essentials worth checking out. The Wall 4-Slice Smart Toaster elevates your morning routine with an intuitive touchscreen and dual independent controls that allow for customized browning of different bread types at once. This versatile appliance features specialized defrost and reheat modes to expertly handle frozen pastries or leftovers, ensuring every slice achieves the perfect texture. With a removable crumb tray for simple cleanup, it offers a high-performance and hassle-free solution for a consistently great breakfast. The Risori electric tea maker automates your brewing process with a 1.7-liter capacity and a motorized infuser basket that independently lowers and lifts to ensure the perfect steep. Utilizing professional British Strix technology, the 1500-watt base features an LCD screen to control 5 tea presets, 3 strength levels, and a wide temperature range from 40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. This versatile machine further simplifies your routine with a 24-hour delayed start timer and a 30-minute keep warm function, delivering a precision-crafted beverage exactly when you want it. The Fabinix fruit and vegetable washing machine utilizes advanced OH ion purification and a rotating water system to deeply eliminate harmful residues from produce, meat, and seafood. This smart device features a specialized 3-minute cleaning cycle that automatically activates when submerged, using an electrolytic process and a suction base to ensure a 360-degree deep clean. With its energy-saving auto-off technology and safe base charging design, it provides a seamless way to extend food freshness and maintain a healthy kitchen environment. The Jeft pasta maker streamlines the entire pasta making process by expertly kneading, rolling, and cutting dough using its durable food-grade construction. It offers 5 adjustable thickness settings ranging from 0.6 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters, allowing you to create perfect textures for everything from delicate ravioli to hearty 6mm fettuccine. With its detachable attachments and specialized cleaning brush, this machine provides a hygienic and efficient way to enjoy authentic, homemade Italian meals every day. The Utensil Stir is an innovative hands-free kitchen tool designed to automatically rotate in your pots and pans, saving you the effort of manually stirring soups, sauces, or gravies. This cordless device operates on 4 AA batteries and features 3 adjustable speed settings with LED indicators that move both forwards and backwards for thorough mixing. Equipped with dishwasher-safe nylon legs that are heat-resistant up to 120 degrees Celsius and safe for non-stick surfaces, it offers a durable and efficient solution for hassle-free multitasking while cooking. The Nomad Chef pan protectors provide a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen solution, acting as both durable separators to prevent scratches when stacking and reliable trivets for hot cookware. Crafted from 100% BPA-free food-grade silicone, these 0.31-inch thick protectors offer market-leading durability while remaining flexible enough to handle dishes straight from the oven with a heat resistance up to 230 degrees Celsius. Their engineered non-slip design ensures maximum stability on your kitchen counters, providing a safe and high-quality way to maintain the lifespan of your non-stick pots and pans. The VivaWee Dish Drainer Rack is a versatile kitchen essential that utilizes a 43 by 35 centimeter foldable design to provide efficient over-the-sink drying for dishes, fruits, and vegetables. Constructed with rust-proof stainless steel tubing and non-slip silicone ends, it offers a robust, steady surface that can also function as a heat-resistant insulation mat for hot pots or freshly baked goods. Its innovative roll-up design and removable bars allow it to adapt to various sink sizes while ensuring compact storage, keeping your countertops dry, organized, and free from clutter.
The Bree-T Portable Range Hood is a compact plug-and-play ventilation unit designed to eliminate smoke, grease, and odors using a powerful 5-layer filtration system featuring aluminum, polymer, and activated carbon layers. It offers 3 adjustable fan speeds and built-in LED lighting for better visibility, all while operating at a quiet 50 to 65 decibel noise level through a standard outlet connection. With its 70-inch power cord and ductless design, this portable exhaust fan is an ideal space-saving solution for refreshing the air in apartments, RVs, or indoor barbecue areas without the need for complex installation. The Crimpet Sandwich Sealer is a cleverly designed press that lets you create delicious, sealed pocket-style snacks without the need for electricity or complex moving parts. Its intuitive fill, crimp, and heat process works perfectly with sweet or savory ingredients, allowing you to toast your creations in an air fryer, pan, or toaster for a quick, oil-free meal. Constructed from BPA-free, food-safe materials, this compact tool is entirely dishwasher-safe, making it a fun and convenient choice for busy families who want a mess-free way to get creative in the kitchen. The Infintino Squeeze Station simplifies your baby food routine by allowing you to fill 3 100-milliliter pouches simultaneously with homemade purees. This all-in-one system features a stable non-skid base and a soft rubber press for an easy grip, utilizing a mess-free 4-step process to transition blends from the clear measurement tubes into the included reusable pouches. Designed for effortless storage in the fridge or freezer, the entire set is dishwasher safe and nests together compactly, offering a healthy and convenient solution for on-the-go meals. From daily cooking to quick meal prep, these tools add convenience and smart functionality to your kitchen. They're simple, efficient, and designed to make everyday tasks faster and easier.